Ever wondered why some people seem to have their finances in perfect order while others are always struggling? In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets of successful budgeting methods that could change your financial future forever. Budgeting isn't just for those in debt, it's a crucial skill for anyone wanting to achieve financial goals. We'll explore the most effective methods, helping you understand not just how to budget, but why budgeting is essential for your financial health. Let's kick things off with the 50/30/20 rule. This simple yet powerful budgeting method allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. But wait, what does this really mean in practice? Needs are the essentials, think housing, food, and transportation. Wants are the things that make life enjoyable, like dining out or shopping. And the savings? Well, that's the part that builds your financial security. Can you guess how many people actually stick to this rule? Surprisingly, studies show that only about 40% of individuals consistently follow the 50/30/20 rule. So, how can you effectively implement it? Let's break down some practical steps to help you get started. Next up is zero-based budgeting. This method is all about making every dollar count. At the end of the month, your income minus your expenses should equal zero. Don't worry, that doesn't mean you're broke. Instead of traditional categories, you assign every dollar to a purpose, be it expenses, savings, or even fun money. Think of it as giving every dollar a job. It's a powerful way to hold yourself accountable. But how do you start? Before we dive in, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your financial journey. Now, let's talk about the importance of tracking your expenses. By keeping a close eye on where your money goes, you can identify trends, cut unnecessary spending, and find areas to save. Have you ever been shocked by how much you spend on coffee? Using apps or spreadsheets can make tracking your expenses much easier. Consistency is key here. But here's a surprising fact: studies reveal people who track their expenses tend to save more. Are you ready to try it out? As we wrap up, remember that budgeting is a personal journey. What works for one may not work for another. Experiment with these methods, refine them, and find a system that suits your lifestyle. The resources you need are out there. So, what's the takeaway? Whether you opt for the 50/30/20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or a combination of both, what's important is to take action and start today. Your financial future is worth it. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please subscribe and turn on notifications. And don't miss our next video where we'll explore advanced budgeting techniques that could elevate your finances even further.